Hey folks, welcome to this video. We are going to talk about how you could start a work at home job here in 2019. This is the best work from home job opportunity website that's free to check out. All right, it's called workathome481.com. That is workathome481.com. I will put it in the description. I'm just going to show you it real briefly. You can go and check it out yourself. They have awesome software. They have free $20. I'm telling you, it's just free that you made it to this website. Free 20 bucks. I'll show you how to get it, and I'll show you where to get it here in a second. So here we go. Without further ado, let's check this out here. Jobs take you back to the home page. They have marketing tools. If you have a website, this is all good. It shows you where to post. Traffic software, which I'll go over, one of the best traffic software, and buying bulk traffic at literally pennies. All right, for what you get. And there's also free $20. But let's get going. I know you want to start a work at home job here in 2019. So let's kind of go over this website. It's very good. Here's your $20. Another way to get it, just go to the video and watch it. But they have email processing jobs. You can check all these out. Free work at home jobs. They got legitimate paid surveys that pay. They got app tester jobs. They got social media jobs. Um, they got so much. Here's a bulk email, and there'll be a video down below on this website as well. More surveys. They got drop shipping jobs. There's so many. There's like 50 work at home opportunities here. Um, and here's the bulk email traffic. You get it super cheap. You can get, as it shows here, 30,000 visitors per day if you wanted to, for nothing. All you got to do is click here, check that out. They also have how to rank your videos higher on Google. This is a software that's super awesome. It's super inexpensive to get as well if you are trying to get your website on Google, or your video, excuse me, on Google. Check it out. They're, it's here. You can go there and get it all set up and everything like that. $23 an hour, surveys, email processing. This website has everything you need to get going in 2019 to work at home. All right. By next year in 2020, it's just going to be even more crazier to get a work at home opportunity going for you, because that's the way the future is going. You could do anything from a smartphone, laptop nowadays. It's just that's the way it is working. So there you got marketing tools, software. There's your free $20 again. Unlimited traffic, bonus areas. You could just, this is huge. As you can see, they have already had 500,000 people come um, to this website, and they get the best products and everything like that. And it's constantly changing. They'll post new information on here every month or so. Um, but go, get started. Work from home here in 2019 today. All right. Um, the information is going to be in the description, and it's called workathome481.com. Go check out the website. All right. You guys have a wonderful day now. Don't forget to get your free $20, and we'll see you later.